For making mango milkshake, I have one sweet ripe mango. Cut it properly. Cut in this way and scoop it. If you will scoop it in this way, so you can easily get slices. All slices adding in the blender jar. If you like have a thick milkshake, then add more mangoes and less milk. But if you like thin milkshake, then add more milk while blending. I would not recommend adding ice cubes to make it thicker. I have added 1 scoop of ice cream, which should be a better option compared to ice cubes. Blend until everything is well combined. It is an ideal refreshing drink for the hot and humid summer season by lowering the body temperature. Mango slices are the primary ingredients. Moreover, this recipe can be easily extended by adding banana, dry fruits and strawberry to have a fruit-based milkshakes. Mango milkshake is ready. This magic formula features a unique combination of black grapes, milk and ice cream milkshake. The antioxidant in black grapes help to reduce wrinkle on the skin and give it an appealing glow. Added 1 cup of black grapes, 1 scoop ice cream and 1 cup milk. To make a black grape shake, combine all ingredients in a mixture and blend till smooth. I'm using dark chocolate rich in the minerals such as iron, magnesium and zinc. Also contain antioxidant. Technically it is a sugarless or no sugar smoothie, but if you feel that it is less sweet, then you can add 1 or 2 teaspoons of sugar while blending the chocolate banana smoothie. I chopped all chocolate. Now adding all chocolates in a mixer jar. Adding poppy seeds 2 tablespoons and almonds, 1 cup chilled milk, 2 bananas. After cutting bananas, adding in the mixer jar. Now blend it nicely. Now my smoothie is ready. Finally pour in serving jar.